Spoiled, I'm tired. Like, I don't even know. Oh my lord. One, they go push me away tomorrow.
Give it to me like.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. And if you're an old subscriber, I do appreciate the love. I do appreciate the support. So my name is Glory Uzo and I'm a YouTuber. And I'm traveling tomorrow. And it's more like I have to pack a lot of things. I'll call it relocating. I don't know if that's even the right English, but I've been here for a really, really long time and I have to pack all of my load. Yes, I'm traveling tomorrow. And have I started anything? No. So, I just finished filming a video and I want to go and fry them, so I'm going to eat. So, after eating, I'm just going to I've gotten the things I kind of need, but I need to get my soap because I really don't want to have to search around for it once I get to where I'm traveling to. So I have to buy my soap. There's this series here I want to buy series, and yes, my lip gloss. So that's just pretty much it. That's the three things I'm going to buy. But for now, I have to eat. This the time is 12, I guess. It should be 12. Let me check. The time is 11:37 a.m. That's 12. So, and I've not eaten, so I want to eat. So after I fried the ham and I ate, I'm just going to go out and buy what I want to buy. Then I also have to get Ghana Moscow because a big one, an extra large, so I can pack all my things inside. So let's see how it goes, guys. I just finished filming the video. I don't know if I've said that before. I just finished filming my introduction video. So if you have not watched it, please go and watch it. Thank you. I'm going to link it somewhere around here. So I'm going to link it together. So see you guys. Bye. So guys, the time is 12:13 p.m. and I've fried my yam and I'm having it with stew. I'm just watching Merriment 3. I don't tell you guys the date. Today is the 25th of January 2024. So I'll be traveling tomorrow, but for now, let me eat and gain my strength before I start packing. So guys, I'm set and I'm on my way. Junction. Change 500.
Yeah, really good tonight. Cause I did, yeah, we went so I got plenty for my mind, but right now I'm with my guy. I don't let them pick my car. So you don't see me my foundation. I can't be the combination. Like the inspiration. I'm happy I had concentration with my cousin Willow. I don't know you far away. And go my dignity. Good friends with the money.
At this point, I'm tired. Like I don't even know. Oh my lord. I don't even know where to put it. Like today, I don't know if you guys can see it. See that bag. See how full it is already. And I still have things that I want to pack. I've not even arranged them. I hate packing for you. I hate packing. But this is one thing I hate about traveling. The packing aspect. I just oh my god, start for my goodness. Nah, they go pushing me away tomorrow. Because this my load is loading. I just had to stop recording because it was getting too much. So I was like, after I finish packing, I will just show you guys the end result of my work. Because even my end result, I don't know how it's going to end. And I'm supposed to travel tomorrow. They don't want me against late 9 minutes packing. They don't want me. I know they hear what. The time is currently after 6 p.m. and I'm not done with packing. I'm not even halfway done. I don't enter. Like say, they're not going to go tomorrow. Let's see how it goes, my dear. This is just a check-in of how I feel. When my face, you know how stressed and how angry I am. You will know. Let's continue. I don't even know what I'm going to pack next. Maybe my clothes. Until we see Jesus taking over, I'm above the number. We present to you one of the best choirs in the city of Lagos, Nigeria. Come on now. Teacher, shake at this point, I don't think I'm going to travel tomorrow. Bye. Update. We shall see how it goes. If I travel tomorrow, you guys will see. If I don't, you guys will also see. Till then, ciao.